So I'll be showing you how to make a slow motion video smooth in CapCut. So let's go ahead and start a new project and pick a video. I'll just reduce the volume first. Let's pick a video like that and add it to the timeline. Now let's first slow down this video. So I'll hit edit and then go to speed. I'll just slow down the whole video. So I'll choose normal and then I'll go ahead and slow it down to maybe half, or even let's slow it down by 10 times. Okay, so now when you play the video, you can see it's slow, but it's not smooth. You can see a little bit of stuttering in the video. So you can fix that by tapping on make it smoother. You can see that right here. So just tap on that and then go to, if you have a fast phone, you can go for better quality and your phone will be able to process that faster. So look at that. It's much more smoother, but still retains that slow motion. Okay, so that's basically how to make slow motion videos smooth in CapCut. Now you do have to tap on the check mark for that option, or that smoothness to be allowed to be applied to the video. Beg your pardon. Now it might take a while depending on, of course, the length of the video, so just be patient. Once it's finished applying, you can now watch your video and you can see it's extremely smooth and good looking. So that's basically how to make a slow motion video smooth in CapCut. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below and good luck.